and I'm here today to tell you a little bit about HME. In this video, I'll introduce to you HME and some of the things we do to help clients out every day. Here at HME, we are more than a medical company. We're a wonderful team that is made up of CSRs, sales reps, and technicians, as well as a full team of office and warehouse staff. We have a diverse sales team that are highly specialized in what they do. Our team is made up of individuals with backgrounds in kinesiology, occupational therapy, nursing, business, and much more. Dedicated to one or more division, our talented sales teams are divided in our 5 divisions: rehab, accessibility, long-term care, pediatrics, and corporate programs. Our install and service technicians are awesome. They are a talented group that can easily install and fix any of the equipment we carry. I myself am part of the clinical resource team, which is committed to provide training and education to patients, family, long-term care facilities, and other medical professionals. Our website is a great resource for product information, training videos, funding applications, and much more. We have been locally owned and operated for 30 years, and over the next few years, we plan on expanding our business to help even more families and communities meet their mobility and accessibility needs. If you have any questions about our products or even have an opportunity to work here, please contact us at our offices via phone or email at info@hmebc.com, and we'll be happy to serve you. Thanks for watching and have a fabulous day.